This vacuum sucks so good, it'll change your life. Miele C2 Hardfloor Review. Ever feel like your vacuum is gaslighting you? You gear up for a deep clean, only to push around a clunky dud that wheezes like it's got asthma and barely picks up a Cheerio. You waste time wrestling with tangled cords, clogged filters, and those cheap multi-surface tools that can't even handle a crumb. You want your floors to sparkle, but instead, you're left with back pain, rage, and a floor that still looks like a snack graveyard. Sound familiar? Yeah. You're not alone. Cleaning shouldn't feel like punishment. And honestly, you're overdue for a serious vacuum blow-up. Now multiply that mess by 3, crumbs, fur, and deadlines. Maybe it's your pets, your toddlers, or just gravity doing you dirty, but the stress builds up fast. Dust bunnies turn into tumbleweeds, and suddenly your quick cleanup turns into a sweaty, hour-long wrestling match with a clunky, weak vacuum. The noise alone feels like punishment. And that deep funk of failure when the suction gives up halfway through? Oof. You're not just losing cleanliness, you're losing time, sanity, and your weekend. We all deserve better. You deserve a tool that actually works every single time. Enter the Miele Complete C2 Hardfloor, your new favorite adulting power tool. This beast doesn't just suck, it sucks hard, thanks to its 1200-watt Vortex motor and 6 ultra-precise suction settings. Want power? You got it. Want finesse for your delicate floors? Boom, Parquet Twister XL Floor Brush to the rescue. It's lightweight, quiet, and smooth like a luxury German sports car. Whether you're battling pet hair, dust under the couch, or post-party glitter shrapnel, the C2 is your ride or die. It's not just cleaning, it's therapy with wheels. And yes, it works on tile like a dream. Your back will thank you. Your floors will sparkle. Your sanity will stay intact. With the Miele C2, cleaning is no longer a dreadful chore, it's a flex. Enjoy true portability, built-in tools, long cords that rewind like a pro, and a sealed air clean system that traps 99.999% of nasties. It's the vacuum that doesn't talk back, it just handles business. So if you're craving less chaos and more control, this is your sign. Check it out, test it out, and finally say bye to basic, useless facts. It's time to love your floors again. Don't wait till you're buried in fur and frustration. Grab the Miele Complete C2 Hardfloor while it's still in stock, this baby sells out fast for a reason. Thousands have already leveled up their homes and swear by it. No regrets, no fluff, unless it's in the bag. Want peace of mind, powerful suction, and effortless cleaning in one sleek blue package? Then don't sleep, click, claim, and clean like a legend. Your floors will thank you. Your future self will thank you. This isn't just a vacuum. This is your comeback story. Let's go.